Ariana, get my computer real quick. My computer. Hand me my computer. Good job, Monty. Good morning. Demar, hand me my computer, please. This is the Cubing C7000. The little spout broke, so I have to use a cup. And the catcher for the juice. I have my water here to wash my celery. Cut my celery in half, so it's easier to go through the blender, the juicer. Look, you can give that to the dog. One? Yeah, cut it in half. You want to be sure you don't put too many at one time because it will clog the juicer. Celery is one of those things that can clog up the juicer really easy. And the good thing about this juicer, you can put it on reverse and fix whatever is stuck in there. Sorry, I'm cutting too close to the tripod. So 2 bunches of the celery gives me enough juice for the 3 of us for only 1 day. I need to start juicing a few days at a time to make it easier. Strain it. So this juicer comes with a strainer, But since one of the pieces broke, I have to strain it the old-fashioned way. So it doesn't matter how you strain it, just make sure you strain it. The point of juicing is so that the nutrients can go straight to your blood. If you're drinking the juice with the fiber in it, then you're having your digestive system is having to work to process the juice, and that defeats the whole purpose of juicing. That's why you strain your juice when you're juicing. Almost done. Move this out the way. So if you saw at the beginning, I did 2 bags of celery juice, and you'll see how much that gives me. Good morning, guys. So I drink 16 ounces. That's the minimum that Anthony from Medical Medium says to have first thing in the morning. My kids, on the other hand, they drink whatever's left. So we'll see shortly how much 2 bunches gave me. Give me 1 second. And just to show you the fiber that's in here, that's what you want to filter out. If you drink the juice with all this fiber, your stomach has to digest the juice. The purpose of juicing is for this juice to go straight to your bloodstream. So if there's no fiber in it, then it'll go straight to your bloodstream and nourish your body. If you have the fiber in there, then it has to go to your digestive system. And if you have any issues with your digestive system in the beginning, from the beginning, where your digestive system is having issues pulling nutrients from your food, then you defeat the purpose of juicing. I'm gonna answer your question in just a second. I see your question coming in. So the 2 bunches gave me a little over 32 ounces. This batch gave me a lot more juice than yesterday. So I'll be drinking 16. This is almost 12. And this is almost 12. So each of the kids will have 12 ounces. Now let me go look at the questions. Good morning. I drink 24 to 32 ounces every day. That is amazing. I'm also still doing the clause that I started with you. I'm on day 2. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Talking about being consistent. Girl, that is amazing. I'm going to start back on the clause drink. My problem is staying consistent. So I'll start something and I'll do it for a good little while and miss 1 or 2 days. But I still jump back on. So here's to celery juice. Have a great day, guys. Be blessed. I'm glad you do. I really need to start back on the detox drink. For sure, that's one of the things I'm going to cover in the women's retreat. So if I don't start before then, I'll be starting at that time. Well, good job. I'm very proud of you. You have a blessed and amazing morning. Cheers. Bye.